Look what's coming on deck.
Now, over the years, there's been some issues with that tractor. They've melted it down more times than enough. Back in the day, guys used to dump bags of popcorn in that big old chimney, fire it up, and it would pop popcorn because of the heat coming out of the exhaust. There's guys tried roasting weenies on there, but the guys that tried that had no eyebrows left, so they gave that up as a bad decision. There, you see the heat coming out of that stack. He's got it spinning, but now he's got to get things spooled up properly here. It takes a moment to make that happen. So I'm shaking his head. That means there could be something wrong here. In the words of Jackie Chan, something wrong. Oh, there's puddles. When you have puddles, that isn't good. Could be a fuel leak. Basically, if I remember correctly, these things burn kerosene, or similar to kerosene, jet fuel. Okay, they were checking on it. Looks like everything's okay. Getting spooled up one more time.
I'm going to rebuild it after this
Nope. You can see the look of disgust just by the way he put his head back. I don't have communication with him down there, so I can't tell you exactly what's going on. If somebody does know, just radio me and I'll let you folks know what's going sideways here.
They gotta have some. They gotta have some.